Wouldn't it be great if you could just go to a LinkedIn profile, click on Add to CRM, and all of the contact information was added to your Less Annoying CRM. As you can see here, we've got my name, my email address, all added automatically in just one click of a button. I'm going to show you how using our LinkLess Chrome extension. And to get started, you're going to click on Add to Chrome or Add to Brave, depending on which browser you're using. That's going to then redirect you to the sign up process, which you can see here. But the next thing you should probably do is just pin the Chrome extension to your toolbar, just to make the experience as good as possible, and I'll show you in a second why. So yes, I've pinned it, and then I'm going to sign up using my Google account. And once that's done, we just need to connect to your Less Annoying CRM. And the way that we do that is by just getting your API key from here. I'm going to create a new one, so we do not need delete access, and I'll just type in demo. And we copy the API key and paste it into the LinkLess Chrome extension, and that's us. Now we can just go to a LinkedIn profile, click on the icon in the top right, but as you can see here, it's showing as a tick, a green tick, and that's because we already have the record on our CRM. So we click on that, we can then just go straight to the record in the CRM. If of course the person is not in your CRM and you click on the LinkLess Chrome extension, it's going to get all the key information, job title, company, email address, phone number, you name it, and it's going to allow us to add to your Less Annoying CRM in just one click. So there you go, it's going to save you many hours per week potentially. It's called LinkLess and it can be downloaded from the Chrome web store, and the link is in the description. All the best.